Good morning children. In the last video we have learnt the multiplication of decimal numbers. Yes, and you all have understood it. Yes. So today we will learn the division of decimal numbers. How to divide the decimal numbers. Okay children. So let's learn. So first example, we will see how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Okay. Now for example, 6.4 divided by 2. 6.4 is a decimal number and 2 is a whole number. So first examples we will see how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Okay children. So the first step what you have to do is here, the decimal number you have to convert it in the fraction form. Yes, you have learned in your earlier classes how to convert a decimal number into fraction form. Yes, 6.4. After decimal point we have one digit. So in the fraction form it will be 64 upon 10. Yes, after decimal point one digit. So in the denominator 1 0. 1 and after that 1 0. 10. Okay. So 64 by 10 is the fraction form of 6.4. Now divide it by 2 as it is. Then in the next step 64 upon 10. Convert this division into multiplication. For that what we have to do, you have learned the division of fractions. Yes, division of fractions you have learned in the earlier classes. So now it will be into reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. You have learned this. Yes. So now this is nothing but multiplication of fractions. This also you have learned in our earlier classes. Yes. So now you can see cross, you can cancel. 2 and 64 have a common factor 2. Yes. So you can divide. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 twos are. So what remains? 32 into 1, 32 upon 10 into 1, 10. Okay. So now 32 by 10 you got. Now you know how to write 32 by 10 in the decimal form. Now again convert it in the decimal form. So here in the denominator you have 1 0. So the decimal point will come before one digit from the right side. Okay. So it is 3.2. Yes. So 3.2 is the quotient of 6.4 divided by 2. Yes. Let's take one more example. 0.80 divided by 5. Okay. A decimal number and a whole number. Okay. The first step what we have to do is convert this decimal number into fraction form. Yes. To convert into fraction form, see after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits. So it will be 80. Whatever digits are there here, digits will remain the same. 80 upon 1 and 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros. It is 80 upon 100. Divided by 5 as it is. Then in the next step, 80 by 100 multiply to the reciprocal of 5 children. Yes, 80 by 100 into reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Okay. Now you can simplify cross multiplication of fractions you have learned. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 6 are. Okay, 3 remains, so 5 6 are 30. Okay children, now multiply numerator to numerator. 16 into 1, 16, 100 into 1, 100. Okay, so what is 16 upon 100? Again converted into decimal. Yes, so you will get 0.16. Okay, 2 zeros. So after decimal point, 2 digits. 1 and 6. So before that you can write 0. Yes, so 0.16 is the answer children. Okay, let's take one more example. Third one, 12.96 divided by 4. Okay, 12.96 is a decimal number, 4 is a whole number. Yes, so how to divide? Now, firstly convert this into fraction form. So after decimal point, 2 digits, so 2 zeros, that is divided by 100 children. And these digits will remain the same, 1296 upon 100. 2 digits, so 2 zeros, 100 divided by 4. Okay, so now 1296 upon 100 into division becomes into and we have to multiply with the reciprocal of 4. Yes. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4 children. Okay, now you can simplify. Yes. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8, 1 carry, 4 fours are 16. Okay, so 324 into 1 is 324. 100 into 1 is 100. Okay children, now convert into decimal. 324 divided by 100. 2 zeros. So the decimal point after 2 digits from the units place 1, 2. So the decimal point comes here. 3.24 is the answer. Okay children, so this is the way you have to multiply a fraction by a decimal by a whole number. Okay. Now let's see when both are decimal numbers, then how to divide children. Okay. So in that the first example is 25.5 divided by 0.5. Okay, now here both are decimal numbers. 25.5 is also a decimal number. 0.5 is also a decimal number. So how to divide two decimal numbers now? Same steps children. Firstly convert the decimal number into fraction form and then follow the division of fractions and multiplication of fractions. Okay. So fraction form of 25 by 5 is this digits remain the same 255 here also upon one digit after decimal point, so divided by 10. Again divided by 5 remains as it is after decimal point one digit, so upon 10. Okay. Now 255 upon 10 to divide two fractions, you have to multiply to the reciprocal of the next number. Yes, so into 10 by 5. Okay children, reciprocal of 5 by 10 is 10 by 5. Now cross you can cancel. 10 ones are 10 ones are. 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 ones are. Okay, so now 51 into 1 is 51. 1 into 1 is 1 and 51 upon 1 is nothing but 51. Okay children, so this is the answer 51. 25.5 divided by 0.5 gives us 51. Okay children, let's see one more example. 22.5 divided by 1.5. Okay children, so again same step. Firstly convert the decimal numbers into fraction form. So the fraction form of 22.5 is 225 upon 10. One digit means 10, two digits means 100, three digits are there after decimal point means 1000. Okay, it divided by 15. 1 5 as it is one digit, so divide by 10 upon 10. So now 225 upon 10 will be multiplied to the reciprocal of 15 by 10, that is 10 by 15. Okay children, 10 ones are 10 ones are. Then 15 ones are 7 remains. Then 15 fives are. Okay, so now multiply the numerator to numerator. 15 into 1 15. 1 into 1 1. So 15 upon 1 is nothing but 50. Okay children, let's take one more example. 7.75 divided by 0.25. Okay children, again two decimal numbers we have to divide. So first step, convert into fraction form. So the fraction form of 7.75 is 775 upon two digits means upon 100. Okay, two digits, two zeros, 100 divided by 0.25. So that is nothing but 25 upon two digits, so upon 100. Okay, now next step, 775 upon 100 as it is, the next fraction will be multiplied to its reciprocal into reciprocal of 25 by 100 is 100 upon 25 children. Okay, so now 100 ones are cross, you can cancel always. 25 ones are 25, 3s are 75, 2 1 into 1 is 1. So 31 upon 1 is 31. Okay children. So you have to follow these steps to divide the two decimal numbers. Okay, write in this manner only children. Equal to sign, one below the other. The steps should be. Okay. Yes. Now next we will see. Next we will see how to multiply the decimal numbers by the multiples of 10. That is by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. How to divide. Okay. For example, 52.5 divided by 10. Okay children, 52.5 is a decimal and 10. Now we learn how to divide the decimal numbers by the multiples of 10. 10, 100, 1000. Here such numbers will be there. Okay. So again the steps are the same children. Okay. 52.5 convert into fraction form. So after decimal point 1 digit, so upon 10 divided by 10. Okay. So next step, 525 by 10 as it is, multiply to the reciprocal of 10. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 upon 10. Yes. Now 520, nowhere we can cancel. Yes children. So multiply directly numerator and denominator to denominator. 525 into 1 is 525. 10 into 10 is 100. Okay. Now we can write the decimal form. 525 upon 100 is nothing but 5.25. Yes, 2 zeros. So the decimal point should be placed after 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2. Here point. That is 5.25. Okay children. Yes. Let's take one more example. 432.6 divided by 100. Okay. Again it is a multiple of 10. 100. So first step as it is, convert this into fraction form. So the fraction form is 4326 upon, after decimal point only 1 digit, so upon 10 divided by 100 as it is in the first step. In the second step, the first fraction remains as it is and the next one should be multiplied, division, multiplied to the reciprocal of 100, that is 1 upon 100. Okay children. Now nowhere it will get cancelled. So multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Into 1 is the same number, 4,326. 10 into 100 is 1000. 1 into 1 is 1. Add the zeros, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now convert in the decimal form. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So after 3 digits we have to place the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So here comes the decimal point. That is 4.326. Okay children. This is the way you have to divide by the multiples of 10. Let me take one more example. Third example, 0.5 divided by 1000. Okay children, 0.5 you have to divide by 1000. Okay, so again the same step, 0.5 convert into fraction. So fraction form is 5 upon 10. 1 digit, so 1 0. Divided by 1000. Now 5 by 10 remains as it is in the next step. And you have to write the reciprocal of 1000. What is the reciprocal of 1000? It is 1 upon 1000. Okay. Now multiply. 5 into 1, 5. And 1 into 1 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Okay. Directly you can multiply. Yes. 1 into 1 is 1. And add the number of zeros and write it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 zeros. Now write the decimal form. 5 upon 10,000. Yes. You have to place the decimal point after how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. After 4 digits the decimal point should be placed. Yes. So now here we have only 1 digit. So what we have to do children now? Put zeros. Put zeros to the right of 5. That is 5, 1, 2, 3. So totally after 4 digits we want decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Okay. So it is 0.0005. In this way you have to place the decimal point. Okay. If there is only one digit, place the zeros to the right side. Okay. Sorry, to the left side, not to the right side. Right side the value changes. So you have to write it to the left side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 5 we have to write. So totally after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits put the decimal point. Okay children. So I hope you have understood the division of decimal numbers. Okay. So watch the video once again if you want and solve the exercise 2.7. Okay children. Thank you.